welcome to my video guys. Today I am going to do an avatar challenge part 2 with my not weird voices because I made the wrong one. So you think so? I found it. I think I found it. So okay, I must remember that the girl said like that. Yeah, I didn't screenshot it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. No, it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Right? Okay. Yeah, I like it. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. No. Okay, so good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No. Okay, let's try. Okay, the other face is good. Okay. Not okay. 1, 2. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I like that. Yeah, that looks good. Look, it fit on me. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's good. I don't need it. Okay, so I think it is 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's cute. I like it. Okay, I got it. Ooh, the background. Okay. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's not that much. Okay, 5, this one. Okay, but there's no pet. It's okay. I gotta take a screenshot, I guess. Where should I find the pose one? Let's try. Oh no, this one has someone. Okay. Find it another one. Okay, this one. They look match. Yeah, it looks match. No, it doesn't have pose. Oh my gosh, it's cute. I love puppy. Okay, let's screenshot it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to leave down in the description below how, in the comment below, you can make, I will make a part 2 by doing the number 1 thingy, okay? Bye!